Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am going to be unboxing. And today we have the Allure Beauty Box for February 2020. I'm always excited to get this one. Now I don't get this directly through Allure, I get this through Amazon. I much rather deal with Amazon than Allure's customer service or anything like that. Just not a big fan of their customer service at all. And it doesn't matter whether you get it on Amazon or the Allure website, it's still $15 a month. You get at least 2 full-size products every month, and I believe there's like seven-ish products in each box, and then some months you get a bonus gift. And at least with Amazon, I can go in at any point into my subscriptions under my Amazon account and just cancel the box. No questions, no phone calls, no hassles, no emails. It's done. With Allure, when I canceled this when I was with Allure, it was a hassle. I literally changed my credit card information to one that I knew that I no longer had just to get them to stop billing me. It just was a fiasco. I will not deal with Allure directly. So this is the book that we get in the box. And it does, give you a note from the editor, and it does give you some information, which is nice. And I think prices, like for full-size products, of the items in the box. So comes wrapped just like the Allure box, and the only difference is that they give like a bag, and if Allure gives like them plasticky bag things out. I don't believe you get it in this box, which I don't care. I have so many of them and so many bags. This is what I see when I open the box. Looks like there's some good products in here, so let's open the book here, and we'll go in order in the book. The first item I see is wrapped in bubble wrap. And it appears this is from Wander Beauty. Let's get the tape off. Impossible task, it's going to seem like. Oh, there we go. So this is a sample size. So this is from Wander. And this is the Wondrous Glow After Hours Highlighter. Okay, and this is taped also. I think I'm going to need scissors. I keep on meaning to buy like a small little set of scissors and just leave it with all my stuff rather than constantly having to reach for scissors. I would just be prepared. Oops, let's go away. I went to open a box the other day, and like it hit the palm of my hand and like sliced the palm of my hand, so I'm always trying to be careful. So this is what this looks like. It's a pretty color, like almost like a champagne-y, lot of shimmer to that. I'll hold it this way too, so you can see After Hours. So that's a nice product. Wander Beauty is, very, very good brand. So let's see. I guess the full size would be $30, and obviously that is definitely a sample size. Ooh. Next in here we have from NYX Makeup, and we have a brush. And I guess they range, and this is a full-size item, and anywhere from $14 to $17. And it does appear that you could have gotten 3 different brushes right there. So I have, let's see if it tells us. I think this is the powder brush, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't really say. It appears to look that way when you look at the brush. And let's open this up. It's a nice looking brush. If I could just get it open here. Okay. It's very soft, as you can see, but would be fine for powder. Definitely a powder brush. And it does say the NYX Professional Makeup on it. And then on the back it says 02. If that lets any of us know this. So I guess you could have gotten, does it tell you what the brushes are that you could have gotten? Pro Powder Brush, which I do believe I have, a Pro Contour Brush, and a Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. So I definitely got the powder brush, which I'm not complaining. A brush is a brush. And the next product is nice, and this is from, let's try to hold this up like this, from Bare Minerals. And this is their Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. Full price is $58, and I do not believe that this is full size. It's just probably like a deluxe sample. And this is what it looks like when you open it up here. And this is like 0.25 ounces. So I'm excited to try that. Never going to complain about any kind of serums whatsoever. Obviously for your face. Okay, my dog's going to play now. She always wants to play the minute I start recording. Then we could have gotten one of two items from Belief. We could have gotten the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask or the Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream. So there's the two options right there. And then I have the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Not a huge fan of those, but I've seen a lot of good things about Belief. So I might try that. And the full size is $34. And obviously that's a sample. Then it appears, I'm going to go in order of the booklet. We have a mask. And this looks like it's from Honey Jarrett. And this is the Super Beauté mask. And this is obviously going to be full size. And this is a $3 price tag on it. And then we have a lip product. This might be hard to see, but interesting package. This is from Appeal Cosmetics. And this is the Ultra Creme Lipstick in Muse. And this is full size, $21. Let's see how this just comes out. I'm not sure. Does it twist? How does this come off? Is it sealed? It doesn't have. Can't tell if it has wrapping on it to even open it. Okay. I can't. Yes, I can feel wrapping on it. So I'm going to leave it sealed because, like I've said, I'm going to try to start giving away some of the lip products that I receive. And then it looks like we have a little bonus in the box this month. And this is from Olay, and this is the Retinol 24. Hydrates better than the #1 retinol night moisturizer, fragrance free. Right here, let's see. This is going to be a real tiny little tiny jar, and that's fine. It's just a sample. So here it is, a little sample. Let's see. Oh my God, sometimes these little things are so hard to open, and I cannot get this open. We'll have to have somebody else open it. I think. No, I think I got it. Whew. So this is literally just a little tiny sample. No fragrance, which is nice. Let's close that back up. And there's a paper in here, and let's see what this is. Sometimes they give you a coupon. Yes, so we have a coupon, and it expires June 30th of 21 for $3 off if you want to make a purchase, which is nice. So you could try it, and if you decide you like it, you $3 off. I mean, I know the these Olay like retinol and Regenerous products are pretty pricey. So I think out of all the items, I think we got a good box for $15. I mean, a brush alone, I'm sure I will, let's see, the brush was anywhere from $14 to $17. So even if this is the $14 brush, the box cost me $15. I didn't pay for shipping through Amazon, anything. So this pays for the box. So I have a sample of the Olay Regenerous, a mask, a sleeping mask. I have a sample of the Bare Minerals product, a full-size Appeal Cosmetic lip product, and a Wander Beauty highlighter. I definitely think this is a great box. Like I said, I never disliked the Allure Beauty Box. I just dislike Allure customer service. Not that I dislike Allure. It's their customer service that is horrible. And from what I understand, I don't think it's any better. I did stop it for a while, but then I had remembered that it was on Amazon. So I still wanted to get the box, but I'd rather deal with Amazon. So I will take some photos of the pages. This way, if you want to read anything about the products, it'll be after the video is over. And I'll take pictures of everything. And I really appreciate everyone sticking to the end and supporting the channel and supporting me. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.